Alright, this is a cubic equation. If you want to solve a cubic equation, you can only use the calculator to press and check your answer. Alright, but if you give me the answer immediately, you will not get the marks because this is a 4-mark question and you have to make use of whatever you learned previously. Alright, I'll give you the hint later. So in part 1, we are told to factorize. You can press the calculator. Alright, after you press the calculator, you'll be able to get some values, right? Just one, what are the answer?
Negative 1, 6 and 0.5.
Negative 1, 6,
0.5.
0.5. Do you all get all this? Alright, we will use an easy value. What do I mean by I use an easy value? That means I'm going to use the most convenient value here. What is the most convenient value? Some of you will say 6, some will say 0.5. For me, I like to use non-decimal and whole number as small as possible. Alright, let's say I use negative 1. Alright, so what I need to do? So in part 1, this means f, when I put negative 1 inside, I play cheat. Why? This will be equal to 0. Teacher, how come you know it will be equal to 0? Because these are the solution. Am I right? When you put it inside, it must be equal to 0. Why? Because they are all factors. So, if you recall in factor theorem, if you put the number inside, it equals to 0, you can use the factor theorem, right? But how do I write out what is the factor? Anyone? What is the factor in this case? If negative 1 is going to be the answer, what is the factor? Very good. X plus 1. Okay? This is your first method mark. Alright? This is a method mark. You must tell me what number to put inside the polynomial and it becomes 0. I'm using the reverse factor theorem, so you tell me what is the factor. The next step is nothing new. I have no choice. I have to do long division. Alright? That is the purpose of me teaching the long division. Some of your tutor may use the synthetic method. But for me, the long division will tell me whether my answer is correct. Alright? So I'm going to quickly do the long division, which you all are familiar already. Alright, remember the sign must follow. So continue. Alright, continue. The sign is positive. Alright, the long division is nothing new. Alright, the long division is nothing new. All of us learned the long division before. Am I right? So next, I know what is the first one already. So what did the question ask for? Alright, they want us to factorize. So, by doing the factor theorem, the first factor is x plus 1. But after long division, my quotient turns out to be 2x squared minus 13x plus 1. Alright, would I have... Oh, plus 6, sorry, thank you. Alright, plus 6, thank you very much. Okay, after that, in E-math, we really know how to factorize, am I right? Okay, of course, quadratic, you can quickly just factorize it, either by inspection method, or if not, you can press a calculator. Okay, that one we wouldn't know one. We can't tell. So you can press the calculator. You still want to use your box method, you will just be wasting your time. So I just use quickly saying by inspection method, 6, 1, negative, negative. Then I have done the first part, factorize. Alright, you'll be asking, oh, where are the marks awarded? Here. I must be able to see this. Alright, I must be able to see this. The quadratic factor. After that, you factorize further into 3 brackets. That is your next mark. Alright, these are the 3 essential steps. Then, of course, part 2 is very straightforward. Am I right? I can use zero product rule to solve. So, x is equal to negative 1, half, or 6. 3 solution.